Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 generative AI coins by market cap. We're going to be starting from 200 million market cap, which means that we're going to start with Marlin at number 1, followed by Numeraire, Oraichain, Token, NFP, PHA, LimeWire, GROK, CGPT, and then we'll end it with POM AI at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Pond, which is Marlin. Marlin has been in an accumulation phase for the BTC pair. We have been going sideways for some time, but the question we always ask is this the bottom? Is this the bottom? Could we still head lower? Does this look like a bullish reversal chart pattern yet? I would say not really though. We need more information. But if you would look at Pond against USD, Pond USD is above the skinny pink line, which means that we're anticipating Pond to continue higher. How much higher? Above 10 cents. Right now at 2.4 cents. So if you were to go to, let's say, 10 cents, right? It'll be 300%. I think we're going to go higher than that. We're probably going to sweep this high here. So we'll probably go to like, my guess is 13 cents, right? So right now we're at 2.4 cents. And we're probably going to be in consolidation for a little bit before heading higher. I'm going to assume that this is already low, right? Even if you were to dip any lower, maybe you might just sweep again. Just sweep these lows. And probably we continue higher for Pond. So Pond's move, in my opinion, is towards the upside. Numeraire, NMR against BTC. Here we are for Numeraire. Numeraire, BTC is again also in a not so volatile, but we're still in a downwards trend. We keep forming lower lows. Previously was here, previously was here, previously was here, right? Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. But it feels like we are kind of curving, you see. Curving back up? Yes, no? Yeah, that's a Numeraire against BTC. It's actually losing strength against BTC. On the USD pair, we actually did touch the skinny pink line, which is not ideal. So doesn't mean we can't go any higher, but from a trading standpoint, it's a next coin for us. Oraichain. Do we have a BTC pair? Nope. So ORAI against USD on gate. We have a target, ta-da! Fresh out of the oven for you at $54. So right now we're at $13. So this means that there is still another 296% more to go. Yo! So I think, again, I think we're going to take out the highs over here. More likely than not, right? So this will be probably $60. The assumption is we go to $60. Right now we're at 13, so more upside to be expected. This was a very nice squeeze that came. You see this? A, B, C, D, E. Blast off. Retest the support. Hey, I think we're going back up. We're clearly above the skinny pink line. The trend is still bullish for ORAI, and we anticipate ORAI to continue higher. Could we still have some surprise dips here? Again, there's a little bit noisier here. So, but there's also a noisy area here. Again, this could really be it. I can't say for sure. Not at this point of time. But yeah, again, but you know, from a higher time frame standpoint, more likely than not, this is a squeeze in the making for a breakout. I'm not so sure if this is going to be a symmetrical. Yeah, it could be a symmetrical, but it might look like a cup and handle. Maybe ascending again. We're not too sure. All we know is that there are lower highs, and if we were to draw a line across, this is the resistance. So we could be hitting, and break higher, or we could be in consolidation a little bit longer. But again, we are still feeling pretty confident that Oraichain should be heading towards $54. Token. Okay, so token is suddenly sprang up to life, right? If you look at token 123 USDT perpetuals, we look at it on Binance because Binance has the most information. So yesterday it sprang up to life. Today it's also continuing that life move. The more upside, yeah, looks like it. How much more upside? We're not too sure. Any clear continuation chart pattern? Yeah, it's not so clear to us. This is probably the consolidation box. Right, we'll probably be around this area. I mean, of course, we could just zip up, but from a trading standpoint, token is not ready yet. NFPrompt, NFP against BTC. Here we are for NFP. Okay, so NFP, bro. So for NFP, there was something like mountains here. We dropped. not too obvious. Again, there was a head and shoulders. Got cheated. And then now we're up. More downside. This whole thing becoming the left shoulder. And this whole thing becoming a head and a right shoulder. As we head lower. Again, not too sure. This doesn't look like a bullish reversal to me. This looks to me like a bearish continuation towards the downside. You can pull a support and a resistance line across. And this is really a rising channel. If the preceding trend is bearish, we're anticipating the subsequent trend to be bearish as well. So that's NFP for you against BTC against USD. NFP is, yeah, it's not particularly that bearish. Yes, we're slowly crawling our way up, but yeah, from a trading standpoint, it's a no-go. See this head and shoulders? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. What happened? Bam! There was a big slice down, right? But now, yeah, nip. We're gonna move on from NFP. Phala, PHA against BTC. Here we are for Phala. Phala is under a skinny pink line, right? We have been in a downwards trend. Every time it drops, right, there's a sudden zip up, zip, and then we drop all the way back down, zip. Now we're dropping all the way back down again for Phala against BTC. On the USD pair, it feels like we could be reversing back up towards 77 cents, right? Again, the sudden zip up, yes, another sudden zip up towards 77 cents. Anyway, this is a hard target for us. We are clearly above the skinny pink line, and we have been falling in a very controlled manner, right? It feels to me like we're kind of squeezing here, kind of. Again, we may still drop a little bit just to sweep these lows before heading higher, right? But I'm feeling good about Phala on the USD pair. From where we are, about 19 cents to 77 is another 300%. Yo, there's still a lot to go for Phala. So more upsides to be expected for Phala. Yeah, it's a hard target though. So there you go. LimeWire. Let's look at LimeWire, BTC pair. We'll look at it on the USD pair. And let's look at it on Gate. Okay, it's touching the skinny pink line. LimeWire is no go. No. It's a no go for us. Where's this? GROK. If you look at GROK, right, so GROK is also in a squeeze. We like this. This looks to me like an ascending, maybe a cup and handle, but we're not too sure though. Look at this. There's a clear resistance line over here that eventually we're expecting it to break. This was quite a nasty fall, but then we are almost all the way back up, and now we're kind of falling back again. So, hey, that's great. Maybe another squeeze here, right? A, B, C, D, E. As we head higher. But of course, there's also a danger that we could still drop a bit lower, right? Sweep these lows before heading higher. So you see, so it's not really complete yet. So we don't have any hard targets for it because we still do not know how much lower it's going to go, right? Again, we might also just sweep all of these clusters of cells all the way down, missing this, coming back up, completing a wave C, right? So we're going to count the waves when it falls. If you can count 5, great. Sometimes it comes in waves of 3, but we'll see how it goes first though. But we kind of feel pretty good about GROK. It's probably going to be in a consolidation phase a little bit longer, a few more weeks, months maybe. But eventually we're expecting a break towards potentially 10 cents. So again, we'll take things one step at a time for GROK. But it looks good though. I kind of like what I see. CGPT. USD on Gate. Oh boy, we're almost touching the skinny pink line. Not good. Excuse me, not good. Could we just suddenly rise up? We could consolidate and head higher, of course. But from a trading standpoint, yeah, it's a no-go for us. No-go for us. Palm against BTC. We don't have it. USD. Okay, let's look at it on Gate. Okay, not much info. Let's look at Palm over here. Palm AI. 5 months ago. So for Palm AI, we are also looking on daily. Okay, there could be something here though for Palm AI. There could be something. But we need to consolidate a little bit longer, right? Of course, things can also turn bearish here. Right? But I will assume that the preceding trend was bullish and eventually we'll get some sort of maybe a flag falling channel. We break higher. Again, not much information for us to work with at this point of time. So we still do not know how this is going to look like. So we're going to have to allow the wheels to do their thing, right? And then only can we make a decision for Palm AI. Again, we might just sweep all of this and then just hit higher, right? 3 waves down, ABC. Again, we're still not entirely sure. So yeah, we need more time for that. So yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have yet to check out the cat coins that we did yesterday, go check it out. See you in the next one. Have a great day.